For this look, we are going to be using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, Holo Taco's not pressed, Holo Taco's nightshade, Twinkled Tees stamping polish So Extra, Holo Taco's Gold Flake Taco, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, and Holo Taco's Matte Taco. We start off by applying our base coat. Make sure not to use a peel-off base coat for this look because we are going to be doing a nail vinyl effect with tape. Our second step is applying our base color. You want to use the lighter color for this because it's easier to layer a dark color over a light color than vice versa. Next, we're going to add that top coat. Because it is a quick dry top coat, we need this to be completely dry before the next step to avoid issues. Then, to create a division in the nail, we're going to use Scotch tape, just basic old tape. Make sure to seal the edge. Then, we're going to add our darker secondary color on top. Painting over the tape is fine, and we're going to peel it while the polish is still wet. Now, using a striping brush, I'm applying the So Extra stamping polish down first to create a beautiful line that will then allow us to put the Gold Flake Taco over the top for some sparkle. Here it is, that beautiful Gold Flake Taco. I'm picking up clumps of it and going in small bursts to make sure that I'm actually getting the glitter pieces down onto the nail. Once we've got our accent stripe done, we're going to first go in with our super glossy taco to seal the manicure. And then once that's had a chance to dry down, we're going to add a matte taco to finish it off and mattify the entire look. There it is. Voila! Enjoy your manicure.